this is late. Well, I couldn't get hold of the phone today. Oh, Mum have had it in her pocket and we've all been out the back all day. Oh, boy, when you're warm. And, the noise of the water feature, all I wanted to do was have a wee. Something to do with the noise of running water. But anyway, little Miss Butterwood and Elf by her, she's coming as far as the back door now. And then she sees Jack, and of course she's afraid of him because she don't like, he's big, she don't like him. And she runs back in. But at least she's venturing a bit further than the gate. And then we came in, and we all fell asleep. And of course our dad went off on Saturday, like, I'm a lumberjack and I'm alright. And this noise woke me up, and it was like a buzzsaw. And I thought, but that's not the sucky happy thing going. You never guess what? It was our mum snoring. I've never had such a noise in all my life. I didn't know that noise could come from somebody like, well, I'm amazed, absolutely amazed. And I don't snore. At least I don't think I do. So that's why this is late. Because I couldn't get hold of the phone. Anyway, take care all. Bye.